नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ जसवाल सर। हम पढ़ रहे हैं फिफ्थ किंगडम, एनिमल किंगडम। नाउ एनिमल्स आर क्लासिफाइड on various bases like cellular level, tissue level and organ level. Here also we will see in this chapter the symmetry, that is radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Here you are seeing clearly that if from axis it is symmetrical at any plane passing through axis, then it is radial symmetry. Now there are three levels of skin, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Mesoderm इनके बीच वाली skin होती है. Also we will see that nerve cord and notochord. First phylum is phylum Porifera. Now they are also known as sponges. This is Spongia, Euspongia. इसको कई बार हम लोग वॉशरूम में पैर साफ करने के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. These are Euspongia and it is like football shape. This is Cycone. Kingdom Porifera is also called sponges. So you are seeing sponges or Euspongia. At very cheaper rate it is available in market. Like foam it looks like, and it is Cycone. It has water canal system from which water can pass throughout their body through every cell, and it is having cellular level of organization. Here you are seeing the shop of sponges. It is of home utility. This is Spongilla, another kind of sponge found at base, and it is again used as abrasive for cleaning legs, that is the feet. This is again Cycone, also used for the same purpose and having cellular level of organization. There are pores present in kingdom Porifera. So it is also known as ostia. These pores are called ostia. Now there are various shapes of sponges. It is having a central cavity that is called spongocoil. Every Cycone, Euspongia or Spongilla, there is a central cavity. So you are seeing. It is called spongocoil. And from body there is also various pores. Water comes out. It is called osculum. So these are various types of sponges in the kingdom Porifera. This is one another type of Cycone. Body is having a kind of a skeleton which is made up of spongin fiber or spicules. Sexes are not separate, so it is called hermaphrodite. Eggs and sperms are produced by same individual. So it is having both kind of sexes. Here it is Euspongia, which is used as abrasive for cleaning feet. स्पॉन्जेस रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअली बाय फ्रेगमेंटेशन. जब ये टूट जाते हैं तो नए स्पॉन्जेस बन जाते हैं. सो दे रिप्रोड्यूस बाय फ्रेगमेंटेशन. ऑल्सो इन सम केसेस इट इज hermaphrodite. Eggs and sperms are produced in same individual. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect, having a larval stage which is morphologically distinct from adult. So larva is morphologically देखने में अलग होता है adult से. So इसका development larva से adult तक होता है. तो we are seeing here that it is internal fertilization is taking place. that sperms are going inside ovum and internal fertilization within body it is done. So it is internal fertilization. Here it is, we are seeing a spongilla. So in kingdom Porifera or sponges, the main examples are Sycon, Euspongia and Spongilla. Now kingdom Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Kingdom Cnidaria is so called because of its nettle or stinging cells. So jellyfish is having stinging cells or nettle. That's why it is known as Cnidaria. It is also called Coelenterata because coelom, body cavity, though it is false but it is present, that intestinal cavity or body cavity is present in it. It is having closed gut system and having tissue level of organization. It is also having radial symmetry as it can be visualized from here. Now, this is jellyfish having tentacles through which it catches its prey. So it is a predator. Digestive system is incomplete in this case. In case of Porifera it was absent. Sponges के केस में absent था और इसमें digestive system है, लेकिन incomplete इसलिए कहा गया है क्योंकि इसका माउथ और एनस सेम होता है. सो एक्सक्रीशन और इंजेक्शन एक ही जगह से होता है. सो इट इज ट्रैक. यू कैन सी द गट बट इट इज क्लोज्ड गट. इन केस ऑफ जेलीफिश which is floating in water and using its tentacles for its locomotion. So hydra, jellyfish and these are sea anemones. So sea anemones में भी जो इसका माउथ है, ऊपर में माउथ दिख रहा है और वही इसका एनस भी है. सो इसका इनकम्प्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है. सो सच इज द sea anemones and with its tentacles. Sea anemones is known as polyp. That means its main body is predominant, however its tentacles are not so dominant. But in case of hydra, it is in case of Aurelia or jellyfish, it is called medusa. जेलीफिश को मेड्यूसा फेज कहते हैं और इसके फेज को पॉलिप फेज कहते हैं. पॉलिप फेज में बॉडी डोमिनेंट होती है जबकि जेलीफिश में टेंटिकल्स डोमिनेंट होते हैं. तो हमने देखा. सो ये एक दूसरे का अल्टरेशन ऑफ फेज है कि जब बॉडी डोमिनेट कर जाए तो ये एक सी एनोमनी है जिसमें बॉडी डोमिनेट होती हो और जिसमें टेंटिकल्स डोमिनेट होते हो वो मेड्यूसा है, दैट इज जेलीफिश. तो यहाँ पर बॉडी डोमिनेंट है, इसे पॉलिप कहेंगे. सी एनोमनी इज ए पॉलिप. इट इज विद स्टारफिश दैट इज अकीनोडर्माटा. उसको हम बाद में देखेंगे, वो दूसरे फाइलम का है. सो स्टारफिश के साथ यहाँ पर सी एनोमनी को दिखाया गया है जिसे एडेम्सिया भी कहते हैं. यू कैन सी इट्स लोकोमोशन, हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इट इज डूइंग लोकोमोशन. Now respiratory system, circulatory system, these are absent in it. Next, one more example is Meandrina, that is a brain coral. Another example of Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Now its external skeleton looks like brain, that's why it is called brain coral. Otherwise its scientific name is Meandrina. That is its species. So now you can see how its skeleton looks like. It is like the coilings of brain, within the brain, cerebrum. So that's why it is known as. Here you can see the little movement which is taking place within it. So it is moving. There is a movement of this brain coral. So it is also used in aquarium for decorative purposes. Folded body structure having no particular kind of symmetry, and name is Meandrina. Now it is feeding. Some nutrition is given and it may feed on it. So this is Meandrina, another example of Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Next example of this kingdom is sea fan, that is Gorgonia. So it is sea fan. It looks like fan, that's why it is called sea fan. At the bottom of sea it is found. तो फाइलम नीडेरिया जिसका स्टिंग शेप या नाइफ शेप टेंटिकल्स हैं, जैसा कि हमने जेली फिश में देखा, इस वजह से इसे नीडेरिया भी कहते हैं. और इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है सी फैन. दिस इज गॉर्गोनिया. ऑल आर लुकिंग लाइक फैन. So due to its shape, Gorgonia is also known as sea fan. Now body structure you can see, it looks like a little bit brain coral. But it is planar in structure. However, that was three-dimensional. Now it is sea pen, that is Pennantula. It is sea pen. Looks like pen, that's why it is called pen. Feather like pen, जैसे पहले जो पीजन के feathers होते थे उससे लिखने का काम करते थे, that's why it is called sea pen, that is Pennantula. Again it is jellyfish with its tentacles floating at top of sea. It is a very old predator which catches its prey beautifully, as we have earlier seen that it had caught a fish. How beautifully? By its long knife-shaped tentacles. These are stinging and poisonous. It is so dangerous. And can extend and reassert its tentacles. So manipulates its tentacles too. Here you can see that it has released some of poisonous substance. And this is a kind of fish which is a prey for this predator. So we have seen that sea pen, sea fan, brain coral, anemone, and jellyfish. These are the examples of this kingdom. It is a kind of jellyfish, you can say. Otherwise, it is Physalia. So its other name is Portuguese man of war, that is Physalia. Looks like jellyfish, but actual name is Physalia. You can look at its upper shape, so not so circular as jellyfish. And Portuguese man of war, its nickname is like this. The two phases are polyp and medusa. As I have already told you, that if tentacles are dominant, then it is medusa. If body is dominant, that is polyp. तो एनोमनी एक पॉलिप है, उसमें बॉडी बड़ी है. थर्ड फाइलम इज टीनोफोरा, दैट इज कॉम्ब जेलीज. ये कॉम्ब जैसे दिखते हैं, इसके जो दो टेंटिकल्स हैं वो कॉम्ब जैसे हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज कॉम्ब जेलीज. एंड नाउ इट इज जेली. यू कैन सी हाउ इट इज जेली. और सी वॉलनट्स, ये समुद्री अखरोट भी कहलाते हैं. ये वॉलनट से अखरोट की तरह हैं, इसलिए इनको सी वॉलनट्स हैं. एंड इट इज जेली टाइप, दैट्स व्हाई आल्सो नोन एज कॉम्ब जेली. एंड एक्चुअल नेम इज फाइलम टीनोफोरा. थर्ड फाइलम इज टीनोफोरा. पहला हमने देखा पोरीफेरा, सेकंड देखा नीडेरिया, और अभी तीसरा है टीनोफोरा. इसमें टेंटिकल्स होते हैं, बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस होता है, ये नाइट में भी चमकते रहते हैं. और इसमें दे एमिट लाइट ड्यू टू देयर chemical activity. There are some phosphorus substance present within it, and in night they emit light. That's why they are bioluminescent. They are having tissue level of organism and radial symmetry. Coelom is absent and no segmented body, and digestive system is incomplete. Only mouth is there, no anus. Circulatory system, respiratory system, no question about it. So combs are used for locomotion. What is its tentacles? Two tentacles. So or more. It is like comb. You can say nearly it is like comb, जो कि हम अपने हेयर ड्रेसिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, ऐसे ही इसके टेंटिकल्स हैं. इसकी वजह से इसको now it is comb. So that's why it is comb jellies. It is comb. Oh, they are not comb, but actual comb. Its shape is like so. So here you can see Tinoplana. It is having two wings or planes. That's why एक example Tinophora का है Tinoplana. This is again one kind of comb jelly. That is Pleurobrachia.
Very wide. The burrowee zips its mouth shut,
Now
holding its prey in place.
its tentacles are within inside, and it is having bioluminescence. You can visualize it. So we have seen that in third phylum,
Other comb jellies have a
Tinophora,
more complicated way of snatching
there
up prey.
is fertilization is external
And
and
the tentacles are specialized adhesive cells that
indirect
act like
development. So fertilization external है
glue. Once
और
trapped,
उसमें भी
prey are drawn to the gut and
जो
digested.
लार्वल स्टेज से आगे बढ़ेगा वो इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट है, बॉडी के बाहर डेवलपमेंट
Comb
है,
jellies
जो
attack
नेक्स्ट
tiny
जनरेशन का.
appetizers.
सो
And full course
टीनोफोरा में
meals.
कॉम
Comb
जेलीज
jelly
में हमने
snaps its
देखा
tentacles
कि
at the green
टीनोप्लेना
jellyfish,
एंड
but it can't
प्यूलोब्रैकिया
drag
आर इट्स
The
मेन
jellyfish
टू
counterattacks
टाइप्स,
with the stinging tentacles. Stingers
प्यूलोब्रैकिया
bleed
एंड टीनोप्लेना.
blue. The jellyfish
They are
breaks
its
free and
two
escapes
types.
with its life. The comb jelly flickers through the ocean,